The tapered baguette cut diamond is an elegant and refined variation of the classic baguette cut. Characterized by its rectangular shape that gradually narrows on one end, this cut creates a unique and graceful tapering effect. The step-cut faceting highlights the diamond's clarity, giving it a sleek and understated brilliance. Tapered baguette diamonds are most commonly used as accent stones, often flanking a larger center stone in engagement rings or multi-stone jewelry. Their narrowing shape adds a dynamic sense of flow and balance to designs, drawing the eye toward the centerpiece while adding a touch of sophistication. Its clean lines and geometric elegance enhance the overall symmetry of a design, making it a versatile choice for those who appreciate minimalist beauty with a touch of architectural flair. Perfect for creating balanced, timeless pieces, the tapered baguette cut diamond is a subtle yet impactful addition to any jewelry collection. If you want to learn gems and jewelry export-import business from India, join online master course. Visit amitmulani.com.